Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on a specific automotive component that plays a crucial role in a vehicle's electronic power steering system. We're looking at the Turmeric Hengliang store's offering of a 4-pin electronic power steering machine automotive connector. This particular connector is identified by part numbers 6189 to 1231 and 90980 to 12495, and it's highlighted for its compatibility with the Crown 12495 model. The product comes from the Turmeric Hengliang store and is available in sets, ranging from 1 up to 20 sets. The specific variant being examined here is the 20-set option, presented in a black finish. This quantity is particularly useful for workshops, mechanics, or individuals undertaking multiple repairs or needing spares. This type of 4-pin connector is integral to the electronic power steering system, facilitating the necessary electrical connections for its operation. A faulty connector can lead to issues with steering assist, making a reliable replacement essential for maintaining proper vehicle function and safety. The compatibility with the Crown 12495, referencing the part numbers 6189 to 1231 and 90980 to 12495, indicates it is designed as a direct fit for specific applications within that vehicle model. When dealing with automotive electrical connectors, precision is key. The design of this connector, with its 4 pins, suggests it handles specific signals or power requirements for the power steering unit. The black color is standard for many automotive connectors, helping it blend in with existing wiring harnesses. For anyone needing to replace a damaged or corroded power steering connector on a compatible Crown model, this offering from Turmeric Hengliang store provides a potential solution. The availability in multiple sets, up to 20, is a significant advantage for those with higher volume needs compared to purchasing single units. It's always recommended to verify the part numbers and the connector's physical appearance against the one being replaced to ensure correct fitment and function. The electronic power steering system is a critical part of modern vehicles, and using a compatible and correctly functioning connector is vital for its performance. This product aims to meet that need for the specified applications.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.